Today we're going to be testing the NCP1075NONGEVB, which is an 8-watt dual non-isolated evaluation board from Semiconductor. The equipment we'll be using today include an AC source initially set to 230 volts AC with a current limit set at 300 milliamps. We're also going to be using two electronic loads, one of them connected to the 5-volt output terminals of VS1 set to 1 amp, and the second one connected to the 8.5 volt output terminals of VS2 set to 250 milliamps. To begin the test, we're going to power on our 1 amp and 250 milliamp loads at the output terminals of VS1 and VS2. Next, we're going to power on our 230 volt AC source and check to see that both outputs come up with our 5 volt output between 4.9 and 5.2 volts DC and our 8.5 volt output between 8.5 and 8.75 volts DC. Next, to test the operation at 180 volts AC input, we're going to turn off our AC source and change it to 180 volts and power it back on. And we're going to again ensure that we have the correct output voltage at around 5 volts and 8.5 volts DC. Next, we're going to turn off our AC source and set our 5 volts out load to 5 amps. Next, we're going to power on our AC source and check to see that it goes into hiccup over current mode. Once again, we're going to change our 5 volt output back to a 1 amp load. And after returning our 5 volt out load back to 1 amp, we're going to check to see that our supply recovers with the correct output voltages of around 4.9 and 8.5 volts. This concludes the test of the NCP1075NONGEVB. For more information, please visit www.onsemi.com or contact an authorized distributor.